Okay, I hope you got on okay last night with the questions. If not, let me know. Today we're going to continue on with arithmetic sequence section 10.4. So again, let's recap our formula from the logbooks for an arithmetic sequence. Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Okay. So example 1, find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 10, 13, 16. So what we're looking for is Tn. Okay, so first thing we do is check our common difference. So what is being happening each time? So plus 3. So my a is the first term, which is 7. My d is the common difference, which is 3. And then you're just filling in Tn. A is 7, D is 3. Bracket means multiply, so I'm going to multiply 3 by n and 3 by minus 1. 3n minus 3. And then tidy it up. I can put 7, take 3 together. So 7 take away 3 is 4. So 4 plus 3n, or 3n plus 4 is my Tn. Okay? So your first term of the sequence is a, which is 7. Your d is your difference, the thing that's happening each time. You fill in a as 7, d as 3. Bracket means multiply by 3 by n is 3n. 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. 7 take away 3 is 4. And 3n is 3n. So there we have our nth term, our Tn, of the arithmetic sequence. Which term of the sequence is 97? So for this, we let our Tn equal to 97. Okay, so it's saying which term. So we're looking for n. N tells us the term number. So we're going to keep 3n on its own and bring the 4 over. Remember, when you bring anything over, it does the opposite of what it's doing at the moment. It's being plussed at the moment, so it's going to take away. So 3n is equal to 93. Then the opposite of multiplying, this is 3 times n, so the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I divide 93 over 3 is 31. Okay, so which term of the sequence is 97? So the 31st term. The answer will give you 97. So if you put in n is 31, you'll get out 97. That's what we're saying there. The last part then says, show that 168 is not a term of the sequence. So what we do again is we start off with this and we write down it's 168. And we won't, what will happen is we won't get a true n, we won't get a whole number for n, because n can only be whole numbers, because you have a first term, second term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. It isn't fractions. So we're doing the exact same thing we did in the last question. Take away the 4. To get n on its own, we divide 54 and 2/3, or 54.6. This is not a whole number. So not a term. Okay. Okay. So it's just practicing more of the same that we were doing yesterday. So for homework, I want you to continue on in exercise 10.4, page 286. You're going to try 8 up to 14 and 19. Okay, so a lot of it is just finding Tn. Okay, so give them a go. Message me if there's any problems. Thanks.